Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Jackman Road Elementary School in Temperance, Michigan, home of the Kicking Mules. And it's been an honor to be back here again this afternoon. Had all the grades K through 5, 2 separate assemblies in the school gymnasium, and just got to share my heart again on another really important topic, and that was positivity, being our best self, right? And when we're talking about being our best self, they really ties into what they talk about here in Bedford, the Bedford Public Schools, and that's being your Bedford best, right? Showing that kindness and that self-respect. We have to be kind to our mind and to our heart. Whatever we tell our brain and our heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. So the students really did take that to heart today, and they really understood, the need for us to get rid of these negative beliefs, these negative doubts, negative thoughts, turn that into something more positive, right? And once we step into that positivity, then we can hopefully be that light to someone else's heart. And that ties into this concept that I bring up in all my assemblies. Also part of doing our best is remembering how special and powerful each of us are. All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, we can be that hopefully just kind of shine, somebody else around us and help them understand and see their value, right? And it's so critical in today's day and age that we show more positivity, because this world definitely needs quite a bit more of it, right? And to know that, the things that we're going to go through that aren't easy, there's going to be storms in our lives, whether it's a tough subject here at school, something going on at home, or, here with a friendship, learning something new on a team, whatever we're going to go through, a difficult experience, these are opportunities to make us stronger if we let them, right? So that's why I wear this shirt for this assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if we're feeling down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what, right? And to know that these different situations that we're going to experience, that a lot of us are going through those same things, right? But even if we are facing a challenge, that doesn't make us any less of a person. If we're born differently, if there's something that's unique about us, we know that, we are still beautiful just the way we are. And I think to really understand that the negativity that we really try to focus on sometimes instead of the positivity, it's something that really comes down to a choice, right? It's easy to be positive on days like today when the sun is shining here in Michigan, another beautiful day. But sometimes when it's not so nice out, right, or we start to face something that maybe might push us, to our limits, we can still take hope from knowing that, these are different parts of our life that can really build us up if we allow them to, right? And know that the opposite of success is not failure, right? If we make a mistake, we're not a mistake. If we fail, we aren't a failure, right? The opposite of success is quitting or giving up, not trying. We can fail again and again and again and then finally succeed. And that's what I tried to instill in them today through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, the positive music, of course, the different physical props. They start to understand that together we can achieve so much more. And we can reach out for help if we need it. We can ask for assistance, ask for support, be those best friends to each other. And that is part of being our best self. So thanks for touching my heart. They're all beautiful, always in my heart, my Jackman Road family. Love coming back here again and again. But until then, have a great rest of the school year. Until my next visit, hopefully in the near future. And as always, make sure the subscribe button is pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.